Scientific notation has been taught to you since 7th grade, I guess. It's just a way of writing large numbers or very small numbers, like big, decimal numbers, in a shortened version. It got started kind of when the Russians sent up the satellite Sputnik, and so we were starting to delve into the space race, and we were writing all these reports with, billions, trillions, quadrillions. And so instead of write them out through laziness, we just developed, scientific notation was developed. But really, if you look at this, notice one thing. There's only one number in front of the decimal, same way here. And then this exponent right here and right here tells you which way and how many places to move the decimal. If it's positive, and you want to write this down, if it's positive, you'll move this decimal to the right. So if it's positive up here, you'll move it right 5 spaces. If it's negative, like this -3, it means you'll move it left 3 spaces. So this right here is called scientific notation. Both these arrows are pointing to scientific notation. And then standard notation is just the number. Okay, so right here, it's saying move this 5 spaces to the right, so I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In these little troughs, I got to put zeros. So standard notation is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 3, 360,000. Okay. This one right here, 2.9, it's saying, hey, move this 3 to the left. 1, 2, 3. Here's my decimal, 1, 2. So standard notation is 0.0029. So there's standard notation. Okay, 0.0029, make sure that decimal point's there. Sometimes they'll give you a number like this. 39 billion. I should go into trillions since our deficit's that big. I'll just go to billions. Okay, so the decimal is there. It's actually, the decimal's right here. We want the decimal to be right here. We want this to be 3.9 times 10 to some value. So if you look at this, it's actually going to have to be positive, because to get from scientific notation back to standard, that's what this decimal tells you, how to get from scientific back to standard. So to get from scientific back to standard, you look right here. Scientific has a decimal here. It's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's going to go 10 places to the right. So you have to write that just like that. Okay. Let's show you this. How about this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Scientific notation. We want this thing to be 3.21 times 10 to some value. It's going to be negative because, remember, we're talking about how to get from scientific notation back to standard. Well, scientific notation has it here. It's got to be over here. So to get from here between the 3 and the 2, see right here, down here between the 3 and the 2, you got to go left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Left 6 spaces. So left 6 spaces is a, is a -6. There's going from standard back to scientific.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.